This circuit I made. So this circuit is an alarm circuit or trap circuit. So I'm gonna go with alarm circuit first. So remember in class, some buildings have a box and the pole has a name, like it says pull down, and the top label says fire alarm, and when you pull it, then the alarm goes off. And also there's an SVR, which I don't know, that copies the signal. I don't know. Yeah. And when the fire alarm is broken, like this, you can use the button to do that. I made this circuit by myself. And this adjustable resistor is the smoke level. So when that smoke detector, like in my house already, and then when the level of smoke goes more than this little tiny speck over here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but okay. When it goes past the speck, which I'm looking at right now, and it'll light up when there's too much smoke. And this is a adjustable resistor value, or I call it some kind of current mover, which I don't even, I call it like that. So how it works is, if you slide it over here, it's just gonna get split. But over here, and then it's just gonna go less over here and more over here, and this does the opposite. Let me turn it off. And now onto the trap. Notice that this may be a very short video. And this is a trap. So when something pressurizes this, you short circuit this thing and it'll light up. Look. 3, 2, 1, boop. What's some kind of trap alarm? Yeah, I don't know. Say if this were to put it on the floor, so you guys can see it. Right? So if you put it somewhere under here, it's like a trap. So you leave it on, and when a robber comes in, it lights up. And that's how the trap circuit works. Bye bye. And also, bye bye. Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment down below and leave a like and subscribe and click the notification bell and click all so you don't miss any other videos. Bye.